Yo, 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 it's Singecku. And this is going to be a super quick video on how to do item images on Internet Archive. So if you're kind of like OCD and organizing your archive at all, or if you don't even know what Internet Archive is, I don't know how you found this video, but so Internet Archive recently changed how you do item tiles. You can no longer come in here and edit them. So the old way, you used to be able to come in here, edit, come down here to change information, and you could upload the picture you wanted and then change it to item tile. But now item tile is no longer available. So see how it's under ISO image? But if we click this one, we'll go up here. We'll click this one, and if we go to ISO image, you can no longer select item tile. So to be able to upload an image, for instance, I just uploaded Chronicle that I remastered. I do 4K remasters if you ever want to check them out on my archive. But to upload a custom image on Internet Archive now to your uploads, you have to come in here. And when you upload the image right here, oh, it's deriving right now. But when you upload the image, it'll have right here. So I uploaded the two movies. I have the original one and the compressed version I did for easier downloads. And then when you upload a cover for Internet Archive, it has to be named identifier underscore item image, and then whatever the file format is. So just name your image item identifier underscore item image. And then when you upload your files, you should have a cover. I hope this makes sense, but this is a super quick tip on how to add images now to Internet Archive for your post. But if you found this video useful, please like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to bring you more quick tutorials in the future. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.